Hi, this is Terry. Today is April 2nd, 2023, and I came home to find this. My poor Arbor. There must have been a big wind. So I am going to see if I could replace the twigs or branches with something, and then we're gonna go up into the wooded area and see if we can find something. So I just remember I forgot my audio device, so I had to run back to the house to get it so you could hear me better. My husband thinks it's normal to leave all of his tractor attachments around like that. I personally do not like it, but he says it's normal. So anyway, let's go over this way. Looking for something that will stretch, like something like that. All right, so see this briar? Who thinks that this might work? I should be doing this off my bad back. So this might work. And I'm gonna go and grab my saw. And then I came over to this section and I saw this, and this might be a better option for me. So I might have to cut both and see. All right, I'm gonna cut this. Look like these things are very flexible, so that's great. I think this might work. So let's go and try it. Well, it looks like it got snapped there in half. Yeah, I just completely broke it. So this looks a little big, so we're gonna cut that a little bit. Start here. Yikes. See what's a good. Maybe right there. There's a bent right there, so I think that'll be good to cut right at that spot. All right, let's see. Without harming these guys. I might end up harming. Sorry. Let's see if this will fit. I think I'm just going to go get a chair. All right, I got my chair. I'm going to use this garden trimming wire. Help me tie these together. And I got my handy tool from my husband and cut it. I'm gonna try not to do it so tight, so I'll leave room for it to climb up here. Now it does feel flimsy, but I know it's staying. It looks like it's bending forward. Let's see. Yes, it does bend forward a little bit, so let me see if I can do it this way. Let's try it back. Let me see if I can do it this way. Nope, it still wants to do that. Okay, well, it's kind of going the other direction on this side, so maybe that's good. Now, my whole garden thing is not about making it look perfect. My goal is to have my garden is more like a rustic style garden. So it's to make it blend in with the rest of our landscape so it doesn't look, because we get a lot of leaves and other debris all the time coming in, and I could get obsessive about it. If I see every little leaves falling on the pathway and things like that. So this way, it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as I have, everything kind of blending together with the leaves coming down sometimes, a little bit of whatever just falling, that would be fine. Otherwise, when I try to get everything all perfect, that's when you feel let down if things don't fall in place. This is nature, and we live out in the country, so to speak. So it's not going to always be perfect. It's not about looking immaculate for me. So I think I might just attach this one like this, so it'll give some weight up there. I think that's what I'll do. So just using whatever I have already, just like that. I'm trying not to do anything to that because otherwise I might end up destroying it. And I'll just bring this up like this. Now, if you want your garden to be in the rustic style like this, it's very easy. If you have like a woodland place like I do, you can just use whatever you have instead of going out and buy new stuff, because you know, if your style is rustic, then it should all work with using something that you already have out in your backyard. It's tend to be pulling to the front, so let me see if there's anything I could do right here. Now when I shoot the videos, usually I do have my glasses on, but I take them off, and then I end up not being able to see a lot of things. But I don't like myself wearing glasses, but I tell myself this year that I'm trying to be not care too much about that and just show that I do wear glasses. I just feel like I look very like nerdy with my glasses. So you see, very nerdy. See that? And these glasses are so old, so very old, that they have scratches everywhere. So it's not good either. See? I think that's it. What do y'all think? I think I did a good job. If I don't do say so myself, I'll just put that up here. I don't know the names of these clematis. I got them a while back. Thank goodness the deer have not eaten them yet, the blooms. So thank goodness for that, but I know that they might try soon. So these I'm just gonna put back here with my little wall. All right, here's the finished product. Let's look at my handiwork. And if you hear some background noises, that's the kids riding their little motor vehicle, motorcycle, whatever. So spring break this week. Look at how beautiful these guys are. Here's how it looks from this angle. So not bad at all. Standing up pretty straight. Well, that is it. Something simple that you can also do as well. It didn't cost me any money. I bought the garden wire a while back and didn't get to use it. But anyway, except for my labor, it didn't cost anything for me to build this actual arbor structure, except whatever I just mentioned. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. If you wanted to do something like this, something simple, if you wanted a rustic looking garden like I have here. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, bye for now.